Hey there, folks. Today, we're going to dive into the world of Facebook ads, retargeting. Retargeting is a powerful tool that allows you to reach out to people who have previously interacted with your brand or website. It's a great way to keep your business top of mind and increase your chances of converting those potential customers. Facebook's retargeting options are vast and versatile. You can create ads based on specific actions, such as adding an item to their cart but not completing the purchase, or even targeting people who have visited your website but haven't made a purchase. The beauty of retargeting is that it allows you to tailor your ads to each individual's specific interests and behaviors. This means you can create highly relevant and personalized ads that are more likely to resonate with your audience. So, if you're looking to boost your Facebook ads game, retargeting is definitely worth exploring. Give it a try and see the results for yourself. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more digital marketing tips and tricks. Until next time, keep hustling.